Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my wash day routine. It's a pretty quick and simple process, but I thought I'd show you what I use and what I do while I'm in the shower and how I wash my hair, because why not? So enjoy. Alright, while looking a hot ass mess, I'm going to start by finger detangling and pulling apart any major knots. Now I'm going to start by wetting my hair down and preparing to shampoo. The shampoo I'm going to be using today is Curl Care by Husk. It has organic honey and coconut milk, and it is paraben and sulfate free. I'm going to start by putting the product on my scalp and running the excess through my ends. About this shampoo, it has a really nice lather, and I feel like it removes buildup without stressing and stripping my hair too much. And try not to get soap in your eye, y'all. And I'm just going to keep scrubbing and massaging my scalp. I do this to stimulate blood circulation and hair growth. Now time to condition. So what I'm using is the Husk Smoothing Conditioner. This has keratin protein in it, and it's also paraben and sulfate free. And right here I just added a quarter size of, yeah right, a whole lot of conditioner and started finger detangling my hair. like about this conditioner, it has a really good slip, and it also moisturizes my hair. And after I get out the shower, even when I don't add product, I feel like my hair is still pretty moisturized. Look at the shine. Like, come on, y'all. Do you see that? Do you see that shine, that bounce, the moisture? Now I'm picking up my handy dandy Denman brush. This is like crucial to each one of my wash days when it comes to detangling my hair and making sure my curls are intact. But before I start brushing with my Denman brush, I'm just going to add a little more conditioner to ensure I have enough slip. The reason why I use a Denman brush in the shower is because it combs my curls together and it helps make whatever style I do after washing my hair come out better, at least in my opinion. Now, time to rinse. After rinsing my hair out, I like to add in my leave-in conditioner, which is my last step to my wash day process in the shower. So the leave-in I'm going to be using today is by Curls. It's called Creme Brulee Whipped Curl Cream. It has almond milk, olive leaf juice, and shea butter, and it's claimed to add lost sheen and tame frizz. So at this point, everything that I do in the shower to wash my hair is pretty much done. My hair is detangled, moisturized, bouncy, full of life. Like, can't you see? Now, to to wash my ass. So after the shower, instead of using a towel to dry my hair, I'm pretty sure you've heard this around, I use a t-shirt just because it's softer on my hair and it doesn't dry it out as quick. And that's it for my wash day routine. Thank you for watching. And there you have it. That's my wash day routine. Usually after I wash my hair, I usually do a wash and go, but recently it's been like hot with the weather and kind of humid, so I've been just keeping it in a low bun or in a protective style. But stay tuned because I will be having protective style videos coming and my updated wash and go routine. So stay tuned and like, share, and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys next time.